Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your laptop if it only works when plugged in, especially here in Windows 11. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and go to your search bar, type in Device Manager. Okay, click on it to open it up. And after that, go to the top, click on Action. And once it's opened, close any tabs right here that is currently opened. All right, click on Actions. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. Okay. Once that's done, you should be able to see a tab right here that is called Battery. Okay. For example, this one is my battery. So just go ahead and click on it. If you are able to spot multiple batteries right here, just do the same steps. Okay. Right click, update, and then search automatically for drivers. Okay. Once done, it will close. Do the same on the other batteries. Okay. Update, search automatically for driver. Now, once that's done, go ahead and try to restart your computer and try to unplug it. Okay. Try to unplug your laptop and just try to run it using the battery. Now, if that doesn't help, go ahead and go to your search bar once more. Go ahead and type in power plant. Now, in here, just go ahead and click on choose a power plant. Click on it. Now, in here, as you can see, we have a ton of options. If yours is set to high performance or ultimate performance, well, go ahead and try balanced. Okay. Now, if balance still doesn't help, you can go ahead and use power saver. Okay. Just click on one of these settings. And then if you want to as well, you can go ahead and click on change plan settings. Then go ahead and change these options right here, like turn off the display. Okay. You have the drop down. You can turn off the display without, like if you are AFK or not using your computer, in 10 minutes or 5 minutes, your display will turn off. That will save battery. Also, put the computer to sleep, maybe 10 minutes without using it. Okay. Once done, just hit on save changes. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if all of the workaround didn't help, well, unfortunately, it might be a problem with your battery itself. Okay, I would highly suggest that you take it to a local technician and get it checked. Also, purchasing a new battery pack. If your battery is detachable, okay, you can go ahead and do that as well. But that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.